Morning.
Good morning, sir.
I think we solved three problems in the previous class. Cauchy's linear differential equations. Is that correct? We solved three problems.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll start with the fourth one. Right. Solve x d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by x. Clearly, this is not a linear differential equation because coefficient of d cube y by dx cube must be x cube. D square y by dx square must be x square. Dy by dx must be x. Here, coefficient of d cube y by dx cube is x. In order to make it a linear differential equation, we have to multiply the equation throughout by x square. Resultant will be x square into x is x cube dy by dx plus x square into d square y by dx square is equal to x square into 1 by x is x. This is a Cauchy's linear differential equation. Clearly it is linear and Cauchy's because a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. It is actually ax plus b whole cube. And here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Therefore, this becomes x cube. X cube into d cube y by dx cube plus x square into d square y by dx square is equal to x. Therefore, this is a Cauchy's linear differential equation. You have to mention this. And same substitution. We take same substitution for all problems of this type. Put log x is equal to t or x is equal to e power t. Both are same expressions. Writing log x is equal to t is same as writing x is equal to e power t. Both are same. This implies x into y dash is equal to dy plus x square into y double dash is d into d minus 1y plus x cube into y triple dash is d into d minus 1 into d minus 2y. You can directly write this. By taking this substitution, you can directly write this. X into y dash is equal to dy. X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1 into y. X cube into y triple dash is d into d minus 1 into d minus 2. Substitute here. X cube into y triple dash. D cube y by dx cube is y triple dash. X cube into y triple dash is d into d minus 1 into d minus 2. We'll write that y outside. Plus x square into second derivative y double dash. X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1. This is equal to x and x is equal to e power t. Now simplify this. Here d into d minus 1 is common in both the terms. D into d minus 1 means d square minus d is common in both the terms. This is d square minus d. This is also d square minus d. As d square minus d comes outside, we get d minus 2. D minus 2 plus 1 into y is equal to e power t. The rest is very simple. Simplify this. Simplify that part. Once you get this expression, let me know. Got it? This expression
Yes, sir.
d cube
Yes,
minus
sir.
2d square plus d into y is equal to e power t, right? Now this is a linear differential equation with constant coefficients, and we know how to solve these kind of equations. Auxiliary equation is m cube minus 2m square plus m equal to 0. Auxiliary equation of this differential equation. Here m is common in all the three terms. You take it outside. What you get inside is m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, either m is equal to 0 or m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. M square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0 can also be written as m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. M minus 1 is equal to 0 implies m is equal to 1. And it is repeated 2 times. Therefore, again m is equal to 1. So we have 3 roots: m is equal to 0, m is equal to 1, and m is equal to 1. Now write complementary solution, which is denoted by yc. Yc is m is equal to 0. First I take this m is equal to 0. Clearly it is real and non-repeated. Rule number 1 is applicable. That is C1. C1 into e power mt, m is equal to 0. Therefore e power 0 t. You need not write it. It is equal to 1. 1 into C1 is C1 plus m is equal to 1 comma 1. These two are real and repeated roots. Therefore, rule number 2 is applicable. C2 plus C3t into e power mt. M is 1. Therefore, e power 1t, that is t. This is what we call complementary solution, or YC. You make a note of this. Now we have to find particular integral, yp. Yp is RHS, that is f of t divided by f of d. Phi of t divided by f of d. F of d is d cube minus 2d square plus d. And identify the type. What kind of integral is this? Clearly it is type 1 because numerator is exponential. Yes, correct. Type 1. Replace d by a. A is coefficient of t. Coefficient of t is 1. What happens here in the denominator? 1 cube is 1. Minus 2 into 1 square is minus 2. Plus d is 1. Clearly this is equal to 0. Denominator tends to 0. In such cases, multiply by t. Keep numerator as it is. Differentiate the denominator. Derivative of d cube is 3d square. Minus 2d square is minus 4d. Minus 4d. Plus derivative of d is 1. Replace d by 1. What happens here in the denominator? If you replace d by 1, 3 into 1 square is 3. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 1. Again, denominator tends to 0, right? Denominator tends to 0. In such cases, multiply by t. T into t is t square. Keep numerator as it is. Differentiate the denominator. Derivative of 3d square is 6d. Minus 4d is minus 4. And plus 1 is a constant. Its derivative must be 0. Replace d by 1. T square into e power t is the numerator. As we replace d by 1, 6 into 1, 6. 6 minus 2 is 2. We get t square into e power t divided by 2 as particular integral. Now write general solution. General solution is C1 plus C2 plus C3t into e power t plus t square into e power t divided by 2. Now substitute for t, or at least write where log x is equal to t. Where log x is equal to t, or x is equal to e power t. At least write this. Or substitute t. C1 as it is, C2 plus C3 into t, and t is equal to log x. T is substituted by log x into e power t, and e power t is x, this x, plus t square. T is equal to log x, therefore t square is log x whole square into e power t is x divided by 2. This answer is better. You note down this problem number 5 and try this one by yourselves at your home. I'll leave it for you to solve. You note down both answer and solution and try it. If you do not get the answer, let me know. I'll solve it for you. X square into d square y by dx square minus 3x dy by dx plus 4y is equal to sine log x. That's a simple problem. That's why I leave it to you. Next one. This is another easy problem. Solve x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. This is the problem. Solve x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. Clearly, this is a linear and Cauchy's differential equation. Cauchy's linear differential equation. Because a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 here. Cauchy's and linear. So take this substitution, same substitution. Put log x is equal to t or x is equal to e power t. Then x into y dash is dy. X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1 y. Substitute. X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1 minus x into y dash is d into y plus 1 into y is equal to log x. Log x is equal to t. Log x is equal to t. Therefore, d into d is d square. D into minus 1 minus d. Minus d is minus 2d plus 1 whole square, not whole square, into y is equal to t. D square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to t. And its auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. M square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. That can be written as m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 1 is equal to 0 implies m is equal to 1 and it is repeated 2 times. Therefore, again m is equal to 1. Therefore, we have two roots, m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1. Both the roots are real and coincident. Therefore, rule number 2 is applicable. Rule number 2. Yc is equal to c1 plus c2t into e power mt. M is equal to 1. Therefore, that is t. c1 plus c2t into e power t. Next, yp. Yp is RHS, phi of t divided by f of t. That is t divided by d square minus 2d plus 1. What kind of integral is this? Yp?
Type 1.
Type 3.
Type 3, not type 1. If it is exponential, then it is to be treated as type 1. If it is trigonometric, type 2. It is
Type 3.
Yes, type 3, that's correct. T is a polynomial. Therefore, this is clearly type 3 problem. Let's divide this t. Now write this f of d in ascending powers of d, that is 1 minus 2d plus d square. What will be the first term of the quotient?
T.
T, right. 1 into t is t. Minus 2 into d means derivative, d by dt. D by dt of t is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. And double derivative of t, 0. Double derivative. First derivative is 1 and second derivative will be 0. You take the difference. While taking the difference, what happens here in the second equation? Sign changes. Plus t will get cancelled with this minus t. You get plus 2. What will be the next term of the quotient?
2.
2. 1 into 2 is 2. Derivative and double derivative of 2 are equal to 0. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore, yp is equal to t plus 2. Now write general solution. General solution is given by yc plus yp. Yc is c1 plus c2t into e power t plus yp is t plus 2. This is equal to c1 plus c2 into t. What is t here? T is log x into e power t, and e power t is x plus t plus 2. T is log x plus 2. This is the general solution. To make a note of this. If it's over, we can move to the next problem. Next. Solve x cube into d cube y by dx cube plus 2x square d square y by dx square plus 2y is equal to 10 into x plus 1 by x. Clearly, this is linear and Cauchy's. So here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Therefore, we get x cube here. This is Cauchy's, and clearly it is linear too. Therefore, this is Cauchy's linear differential equation. We take the same substitutions. Put log x is equal to t or x is equal to e power t. This implies x into y dash is dy, x square into y double dash is d into d minus 1y, x cube into y triple dash is d into d minus 1 into d minus 2y. Substitute. X cube into y triple dash is the first term. X cube into y triple dash is d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 plus 2 into x square into y double dash. X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1 plus 2 into y. 2 into y. This is equal to 10 into x plus 1 by x. X is e power t plus 1 by x is 1 by e power t. 1 by e power t can be written as e power minus t. Now simplify this part. D into d minus 1 d minus 2 plus 2d into d minus 1 plus 2. We simplify this part. Let me know once you get this term. D cube minus d square plus 2 into y is equal to 10 into e power t plus e power minus t. If you simplify this, you must get this answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
D cube minus d square plus 2 into I is equal to 10 into e power t plus e power minus t. Now this is a linear differential equation with the constant coefficients. We can easily solve this. We know the methods. Auxiliary equation corresponding to this differential equation is m cube minus m square plus 2 equal to 0. This is a cubic equation. There will be 3 roots. First, by inspection, find a root. Verify m is equal to 1. If m is equal to 1, we get 1 cube minus 1 square plus 2. And this is not equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 1 cannot be a root. Next step, m is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 2. Clearly, this is equal to 0. Therefore, by inspection, m is equal to minus 1 is a root. M is equal to 1 will not satisfy the equation. Therefore, that cannot be a root. M is equal to minus 1 satisfies the equation. It must be a root. Now we perform synthetic division. M is equal to minus 1 is a root by inspection method. M cube coefficient is 1. M square coefficient is minus 1. M coefficient is 0, 2. And here in the first position, always write 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 is 0. You must get 0 here. Therefore, this cubic equation is reduced to a quadratic equation. M square minus 2m plus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation whose roots are given by minus b. b is minus 2, minus b is plus 2. Plus or minus square root of b square. b square is minus 2 whole square. Minus 4ab, 4ac. 4 into a is 1 and c is 2. 4 into 2 is 8 divided by 2. This is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Square root of minus 4 is 2i divided by 2. Therefore, this is equal to 1 plus or minus 1. So collectively, we have 3 roots. M is equal to minus 1, 1 plus I, 1 minus I. These are the roots. Now write complementary solution. First write corresponding to this m is equal to minus 1 root. It is real and non-repeated. Therefore, rule number 1 is applicable. C1 into e power minus t plus. These two are complex roots. Rule number 3. E power real part times t. Real part is 1. Therefore, 1 into t is t. C2 plus cos imaginary part is 1. 1 into t, t. C2 cos t plus C3 sin t. That is complementary solution. And particular integral is 10 into e power t divided by this f of t. D cube minus d square plus 2. 10 into e power t divided by f of d plus again 10 into e power minus t divided by f of t. We have 2 parts. Let's call these 2 parts as P1 and P2. Therefore, Yp is P1 plus P2. We find P1 and P2 separately. P1. 10 into e power t divided by f of d is d cube minus t square plus 2. What kind of integral is this?
Type 1.
Type 1, because it is exponential. Replace d by a. A is 1. Therefore, e power t divided by, you keep this 10 as it is, e power t divided by, what will be the denominator? 1 cube is 1, minus 1 square is 1, plus 2.
2.
2. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into e power t is p1. Now we find p2. P2 is given by 10 into e power minus t divided by d cube minus d square plus 2. This is also type 1 particular integral because this is an exponential term. Replace d by a. Here a is minus 1, therefore replace d by minus 1. This is minus 1. What will be the denominator? Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 2. This is equal to 0. Denominator tends to 0. In such cases, multiply by t. 10 into t, 10t. Keep numerator as it is, differentiate denominator. D cube minus d square plus 2. Derivative of d cube is 3d square. Derivative of minus d square is minus 2t. Plus 2 is a constant, its derivative must be 0. Now replace d by minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 10t into e power minus t divided by 5. That can be written as 2t into e power minus t. Yp is p1 plus p2. P1 is 5 e power t plus 2t e power minus t. Now write general solution. General solution is y is equal to yc. This is yc plus yp. This is yp. Now substitute for t. E power t is equal to x. This was the substitution we took. E power t is equal to x. Or e power minus t is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, 1 by x into c1 is c1 plus e power t. E power t is x. c2 into cos t. Log x is equal to t. This is the substitution. Therefore, c2 into cos t is log x plus c3 into sin t is log x plus 5 into e power t is x plus 2t, 2 log x into e power minus t is 1 by x. ಈ resubstitution ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ at least you write like this, where log x is equal to t or x is equal to e power t. At least you write this. This is better. Solve x into d square y by dx square minus 2y divided by x is equal to x plus 1 by x square. Is this a linear equation? Is this linear? This is not a linear equation because coefficient of d square y by dx square must be x square. Therefore, in order to make it a linear equation, multiply the equation throughout by x. X into x is x square into y double dash minus, if you multiply this term by x, you get minus 2y is equal to x into x is x square. X into 1 by x square is 1 by x. X square into y double dash minus 2y is equal to x square plus 1 by x. This is Cauchy's linear differential equation. Rest you can do. Take the same substitution. Log x is equal to t or x is equal to e power t. Then x into y dash is dy. X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1 into y. Substitute. X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1 into y. Minus 2y, minus 2 into y is equal to x square. X is equal to e power t. Therefore, x square is equal to e power 2t plus 1 by x. 1 by x is 1 by e power t, correct? 1 by x is equal to 1 divided by e power t, which can also be written as e power minus t. Simplify this. D into d is d square. D into minus 1 is minus d minus 2 into y is equal to e power 2t plus e power minus t. This is a linear differential equation with constant coefficients. We know how to solve these kind of equations. First construct auxiliary equation, which is m square minus m minus 2 equal to 0. Factorize this. M square minus 2m plus m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, m into m minus 2 plus 1 into m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, m plus 1 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to minus 1, 2. These are the two rules. Now write complementary solution by C. M is equal to minus 1 and to both the roots are real and non-repeated. Rule number 1 is applicable. Therefore, yc is equal to c1 into e power mt. M is minus 1 t plus c2 into e power mt, that is e power 2t. C1 into e power minus t plus c2 into e power minus 2t. C1 into e power minus t plus c2 into e power 2t, or you can write it as c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power minus t. In either ways, you can write that. Now we find a particular integral. Yp. Yp is equal to phi of t divided by f of d. E power 2t divided by f of d plus e power minus t divided by f of d. Let the two parts be P1 and P2, therefore Yp is P1 plus P2. Now we find P1 and P2 separately. P1 is e power 2t divided by d square minus d minus 2. What kind of integral is this? Which type? Exponential term is there in the numerator.
Type 1.
Type 1, right. Replace d by a. Here a is 2. Replace d by 2. What will be the denominator? 2 square is 4. Minus 2.
0.
Minus 2. 0. Denominator tends to 0. In such cases, multiply by t. Keep numerator as it is. Differentiate denominator. Derivative of d square is 2d. And that of minus d is minus 1. Minus 2 is a constant, its derivative must be 0 and replace d by 2. T into e power 2t divided by replace d by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is what we require, P1. Similarly, P2. P2 is equal to e power minus t divided by d square minus d minus 2. Type 1 integral. Therefore, we replace this by a. A is minus 1. Denominator will be minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus into minus 1 is plus 1 minus 2. Denominator tends to 0. In such cases, multiply by t, keep numerator as it is and differentiate denominator. Derivative of d square is 2d and that of minus d is minus 1. Minus 2 is a constant. Now replace d by minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. This minus into 3. T into e power minus t will be the numerator. Now Yp. Yp is P1 plus P2. P1 is t into e power 2t divided by 3 minus t into e power minus t divided by 3. This is P2. Now general solution is Yc. This is Yc plus Yp. General solution is given by yc plus yp. Do not forget to write this. This is compulsory. Yc is c1 into e power 2t plus c2 into e power minus t, and this is yp. T into e power 2t divided by 3 minus t into e power minus t divided by 3. Now replace for t. c1 into e power 2t. E power t is equal to x. Therefore, e power 2t is equal to x square. It is substituted. Plus c2 into e power minus t. E power t is equal to x. Therefore, e power minus t is equal to 1 by x. c2 into 1 by x. T by 3. T is log x divided by 3 and e power 2t is x square. Here t by 3 is taken as common factor. T by 3 means log x by 3. We get e power 2t, that is x square, minus e power minus t, that is 1 by x. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ at least write where log x is equal to t here. Log x is equal to t or x is equal to e power t.